Sony has established itself as a leader in professional photography, offering high-resolution sensors, advanced autofocus, and exceptional image quality. Here are the top 5 Sony cameras for professional photographers. All links are given in description. Number 5. Sony A7C Mark II. The Sony A7C Mark II is an exceptional choice for professional photographers who need a compact yet powerful full-frame camera. Equipped with a 33 megapixels full-frame sensor and Sony's Bionz XR processor, it delivers high-resolution images with excellent dynamic range and low-light performance. Despite its lightweight, travel-friendly design, the A7C II packs professional-grade features like 759-point phase detection autofocus, real-time eye AF, and AI-driven subject tracking, ensuring sharp and accurate shots every time. Its fully articulating LCD screen and electronic viewfinder enhance usability, while 5-axis in-body stabilization ensures steady shots even in challenging conditions. The dual SD card slots and long battery life make it reliable for extended professional shoots. With 4K 10-bit 4:2:2 video recording, it's also a great hybrid camera for professionals who shoot both stills and video. For photographers who want a powerful full-frame camera in a compact body without compromising on image quality, autofocus performance, and versatility, the Sony A7C Mark II is one of the best choices available. Number 4. Sony A7 Mark IV. The Sony A7 Mark IV is one of the best cameras for professional photography, offering a perfect balance of resolution, speed, and versatility. With its 33 megapixels full-frame sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range, making it ideal for various photography genres, from portraits to landscapes. Its 759-point phase detection autofocus system ensures razor-sharp images, even in challenging conditions, with real-time eye AF for humans and animals. The 10 FPS continuous shooting allows for capturing fast-moving subjects effortlessly. For low-light performance, the Bionz XR processor provides excellent noise reduction, and the 5.5 stop in-body stabilization ensures sharper handheld shots. The dual card slots, CF Express compatibility, and high-resolution electronic viewfinder make it a reliable tool for professionals. With 4K 60p 10-bit video and advanced color profiles, it's also an excellent hybrid camera for videographers. Its robust build, ergonomic grip, and customizable buttons make it comfortable for long shoots. Overall, the Sony A7 IV is a powerhouse that delivers high-end features at a competitive price, making it a top choice for professional photographers who demand performance and reliability. Number 3. Sony A7CR. The Sony A7CR is an best compact choice for professional photography, offering a high-resolution 61 megapixels full-frame sensor in a lightweight body. This makes it perfect for photographers who need top-tier image quality without the bulk of larger cameras. Its Bionz XR processor ensures stunning detail, rich colors, and excellent dynamic range, making it ideal for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The AI-driven autofocus system with 759 phase detection points and real-time eye AF for humans, animals, and birds guarantees sharp and accurate focusing in any situation. With 7 frames per second continuous shooting, the A7CR is capable of capturing fast-moving subjects while maintaining exceptional detail. Despite its compact size, it includes professional features like dual card slots, 4K 60p 10-bit video recording, and S-Log3 and S-Cinetone profiles, making it a hybrid powerhouse. For professionals who need a lightweight, high-resolution, and feature-packed camera, the Sony A7CR is an unbeatable choice, delivering top-tier performance for travel, studio, and commercial photography. Number 2. Sony A7R Mark V. The Sony A7RV is one of the best cameras for professional photography, offering an unmatched combination of resolution, autofocus, and image processing. Its 61 megapixels full-frame sensor delivers incredible detail, making it perfect for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The BIONZ XR processor enhances color accuracy, dynamic range, and low-light performance. One of its standout features is the AI-driven autofocus system, which includes real-time eye, AF, for humans, animals, and birds with improved subject recognition. The 693-point phase detection AF ensures precise focusing even in challenging conditions. For action photographers, the 10 FPS continuous shooting and 8K 24p or 4K 60p video recording provide flexibility for both stills and video. The 5-axis IBIS with up to 8 stops of stabilization ensures sharper images, even in handheld shooting. Professionals will appreciate the dual CFX Press Type A and SD card slots, the high-resolution 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder, and the tilting 4-axis touchscreen, which improves usability. With unmatched resolution, advanced autofocus, and pro-level video features, the Sony A7R is a powerhouse camera that meets the highest demands of professional photographers. Number 1. Sony A1 Mark II. The Sony A1 II is an all-in-one best camera for professional photography, combining high resolution, speed, and advanced features. Its 50.1 megapixel full-frame stacked sensor delivers exceptional image quality, capturing intricate details suitable for diverse genres, from landscapes to commercial shoots. The AI-based subject recognition enhances autofocus capabilities, ensuring precise tracking of subjects such as humans, animals, and birds. This technology significantly improves focus accuracy, even in dynamic shooting scenarios. For action photography, the A1 II offers continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with remarkable clarity. Additionally, the camera supports 8K video recording at 30p and 4K at 120p, providing high-quality video options for professional videographers. The camera's ergonomic design, featuring a taller grip and improved controls, offers a comfortable shooting experience for extended periods. In conclusion, the Sony A1 II stands out as an exceptional tool for professional photographers, offering a blend of high-resolution imaging, rapid shooting capabilities, advanced autofocus, and robust video features, all within a user-friendly design. If you're looking best camera according to brand preference, check out this video.